Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2017 Pete 389 Daycab fired up here for you today. Gotten hot. I'm going to show you, do a full walk around. It's got 14 fronts, 46 rears, Isx Cummins and an 18 speed, full lockers and a wet kit. So pretty loaded up, heavy spec work truck. 190,000 original miles on it. Like I said, I've gotten it hot. Going to do a full walk around, show you everything as if you were standing here. Let's get started. Here's the miles and hours. See that temp, oil pressure. Super responsive on the oil pressure. Sit smooth through the RPMs. Interior overall is in good shape. You can see nobody's poked holes in the dashes. All the gauges are there. Everything looks to be operable. Seats are in good shape. There's your controls for the wet kit. Body and paint's in really good shape. Clean underneath, no oil leaks. Got a little ding on the back side of the fuel tank there. It's really all I see cosmetically on it. Frame's in excellent shape. See the air track suspension, it's sleeved up right up in front of the tandems here. It's a little heavier duty. 24/5 rubber, all aluminums, slider. Good brakes as well. This one with the wet kit has got a split tank on the driver's side here. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you've got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.